welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guess what, guys? This is our very first official sit down videos, guys. Yay! So guys, I wanted to do like a Q&A on this channel, but my IG followers ghost followers, guys, some of them are ghost followers. But the other option is I had to call some of my friends to ask them what would they want to see on my channel, like what would you like to see, what would you like to watch on this channel. And the response I got were, okay, I had to jot them down. I should make a video on a day in my life. Definitely I'm gonna make a day. My life is so interesting, so I'm gonna make a video on a day in my life, guys. So full makeup, hello. I should do a full makeup. You're definitely gonna be seeing this beautiful face on this channel, so get ready, guys. More vlogs. I will show inspire us. My life is inspiring. Now give up. Now give up. Lose. Sorry, guys. So okay, my pregnancy journey, I'm definitely gonna put up my pregnancy journey on my channel. I know it's gonna be very helpful to a lot of women. Put up your recipes. Okay, I will. Sure. See the guy behind me, guys. What do I do? Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.